Hi, my name is Kai. I'm from by Kai, and today we're going to make a smoked trout jaffle using Helga's traditional white loaf. So we need some diced red onion. Take some baby spinach and we just shred it. Okay, then we grate the Parmesan cheese for zestiness and extra flavor. Ricotta for some creaminess and some mozzarella for stretch. Okay, then we season. We add the smoked trout, a little bit of lemon zest and a bit of the lemon juice. Mix it all together, and once we toast it, it will combine nicely. Place the bread onto the surface, grab some of the filling and place it into the center of the bread, spreading it around a bit. We'll top it with another slice of bread and then spread the Praise whole egg mayonnaise on top. And then we'll put these upside down into the jaffle maker and spread more mayonnaise onto the top slice. Then we close it gently. So while we're waiting for the jaffle to cook, I just prepare the garnish. So we quarter a pickle, ready to go. We'll open up the jaffle maker, hot and toasted. Okay, so we place them onto a board, garnish with a pickle. Here you have it. This creamy, cheesy smoked trout jaffle is perfect for lunch, but it's also great for breakfast or even a snack.